Hello guys! Today I would like to compare Chainsaw Man Part 2 manga versus anime. The art in the anime is great and it looks exactly like the Jujutsu Kaisen. Everyone loves this quality. Yoshida is so handsome, but how did he survive? Asa with the Devil of War looks even better than in the manga. Do you think Yuko will survive? Knowing this manga, it's impossible to predict. Our beloved denji-kun. How would you rate part 2 of Chainsaw Man? Personally, I was afraid that it might get worse than the first, but after reading it, I fell in love with the second part. Chainsaw Man is still a very interesting manga. Bye everyone!